Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how to understand about electrolysis. There are three reactions in electrolysis: molten compound, dilute solution, and concentrated solution. The rules of reaction in electrolysis. Number 1. Separate the compound into two different ions, positive and negative, based on the periodic table. Number 2. The positive ion cation go to negative electrode anode. The negative anions go to the positive electrode cathode. Number 3. In molten compound, at cathode it forms metal, while anode it forms non-metal. Number 4. Aqueous solution. At cathode, either metal or hydrogen form. If metal is more reactive than hydrogen, it forms hydrogen and ions. But if the metal is less reactive than hydrogen, the metal forms. At anode, a non-metal other than hydrogen forms. If in concentrated solution and contains halogen or group 7, then halogens form. But if the solution is dilute, oxygen is formed. Let's do the example question of electrolysis. Write the electrolysis reaction of molten compound sodium chloride. First step is apply the first rule of reaction in electrolysis is separate the compound into two different ions, positive and negative, based on the periodic table. Sodium is positive and chloride is negative, based on the periodic table. Next is apply the third rules of reaction in electrolysis, which is in molten compound at cathode it forms metal, while anode it forms non-metal. So chloride is a non-metal, has formed in anode, while sodium is metal, has formed in cathode. Let's do the second example question of electrolysis. Write the electrolysis reaction of concentrated compound sodium chloride. First step is apply the first rule which we have before. Next is apply the fourth rule of reaction in electrolysis, which is at anode, a non-metal other than hydrogen form. But because this is in concentration solution and contain chloride, which is in group 7 or halogen, then halogen or chloride has formed in anode. Then at cathode, either metal or hydrogen form. Because sodium is more reactive than hydrogen, in reactivity series, hydrogen form. Let's do the third example question of electrolysis. Write the electrolysis reaction of dilute solution of sodium chloride. First step is apply the first rule which we have before. Next is apply the fourth rule of reaction in electrolysis, which is at anode, a non-metal other than hydrogen form. This question is about dilute solution, then oxygen form, which will become hydroxide. Then at cathode, either metal or hydrogen form. Because sodium is more reactive than hydrogen, in reactivity series, hydrogen form. Now let's compare with concentration solution and dilute solution. As you can see, they have different reaction in anode, even though they are aqueous solution. After doing this, you must write the half equation. Because I don't have enough time, I would like to teach in another video. Oh, and you guys can screenshot this note. Thank you for watching.